Alright, what's really good, everybody? Today I got a quick video for you. I hired this guy. I found him on Facebook Marketplace.
Hey guys, what's up?
He's gonna help me restore the headlights to factory finish. You can see they're really dull. I tried all the stuff I saw online, like polishing them and stuff, but it only lasts like a day. So you can see all this. Hopefully most of that's gonna be out. These are all the materials you'll need. A spray bottle with water, some clear coat, we have some alcohol and tape, and then a few different kinds of sandpaper. This is a 2000 grit. Oh, they're both 2000. So that should make it pretty smooth. So yeah, we're gonna start off by tape. I'm gonna pop the hood and tape off the outside area when we sand it. All right, so she's all masked off. That's what it should look like. You want to try to protect your paint. Use a nice painter's tape so you don't get no scratches or nothing. Now you just want to wet the surface and your sandpaper, 2000 grit sandpaper. Yeah. Look at that 4K quality. Alright, so we did one pass with the 2000 grit. It's a little bit hazy, but once we go over it with the clear, it'll fix all of it. So once your the headlamp, once it dries, well, we just rubbed alcohol on it and it helped clean the surface. It dried it up. Now we're gonna spray some clear. Nice. Now we're just doing the exact same thing that we just showed you on the other side. It's really simple. Shout out to all the pimps and players riding on them gold things. Hopefully soon I'll lower this thing. I've been really busy with work since the Rona started. Yeah, but the channel's still alive. I'll probably have plenty of other videos for this car here. I haven't even touched it for like 2 years. It's just been sitting here. I haven't drove it or anything. I'm gonna have to do like a whole tune-up and get it restarted, get a new battery and all that. It's just been sitting here. This is all in real time for you guys. Do you have anything to say to the people?
Make sure to subscribe to the S channel.
Subscribe. This guy's smart. You know, he's just putting a little bit of alcohol on there. Once you spray the clear on, that's when the magic really happens. Hopefully we sanded it enough. This side was a lot worse than the other one. We'll see what it do. Anything is better than the yellow haze that it had before. Nice. There we go. And if you get a little bit of like runs on it, like we did on this side, I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. Yeah, you can. It's like right there. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then resand it on that spot with the 2000 grit, and then just spray it a little bit over. So yeah, I mean that's about it for this video. These things came out nice. They're crystal clear now. I actually have LED light bulbs to replace those on inside my house. I just haven't put them in. I might do that now, but that will be a different video if anyone's interested in upgrading their NB lights. Cool. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit up the comments. Let me know how you guys think it turned out.